So let's take a look at the settings of Scoutly. So this can be very, very overwhelming if you just look at all the things that it has and you don't really know too much about the app, but we'll just take it slow and we'll see the more important things. And basically this is just things that most of the stuff here I didn't even select. This is all stuff that's been selected. There's a couple different things that I have changed about this app. For one, it's this disable sound. That is something, me personally, I don't like to have my sound out loud and going while I'm at book sales or out scouting at thrift stores or whatnot. So I just go ahead and always keep that disabled. You can see a lot of these basic things, and if you want to test these out, I'm not going to go in depth on every single setting here, but if you want to try them out, I recommend turning it on, turning it off, however you want to do it, and then testing it out. And then go back, change it how it was, or if you like it, then go ahead and keep it. But like I said in other videos, go ahead and test one thing at a time. This is very important. You don't want to change a bunch of settings and then have your app all messed up and doing weird things, and then you can't figure out why because you turned on and off 10 different settings that do different things. So just do one thing at a time, check out how you want it. One of the things that I will show you guys is called the hidden mode. So this is for use with other scouters. Say you're having someone scan books for you, but you don't necessarily want to show them all the profits and all the numbers that are popping up on the screen. So you go ahead and enter your own password. You just pick something random. For me, it's just a space bar. Hit OK, and then it locks out all these different settings. You can have the sound and then basically turn off the hidden mode. Those are the only settings you can change, and then you go out of here and there's only few settings you can change here as well. And so I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Scan this book, and we can see, oh sweet, it's on the watch list. Check out that video here. But it also says, hey, buy this book, because big green on the screen, and that's pretty much all you need to see. You can change the cost of goods if you need to. You can change the ISBN or type things in. You can also change the operating mode, but that is the limited functionality of the hidden mode. Word to the wise, don't make the password something you'll forget. You don't want to forget how to unlock this hidden mode, because that would be a bad situation. Like I said, I just have it as spacebar. I don't have anyone else using my phone, and if I do, I'm not worried about them seeing the numbers and stuff because they're on the same page as me.